You just need to drag your mouse to taskbar and scroll up and down to control your volume. I show you guys how to get taskbar volume control in Windows 11. You just need to open up Chrome and search WINDHAWK and press enter. Select the first link, select the download option and download this program. After getting download and install it, after the installation done, you just need to open this program. Go to Explore tab and select this option guys, taskbar volume control. Select the details option. Control the volume by scrolling over the taskbar. Select the install option and select this accept risk and install. This is verified through GitHub and Twitter. Select the accept option. After getting installed done, you just need to drag your mouse to taskbar and scroll up and down to control your volume, and that's how you can get taskbar volume control in Windows 11. And that's it for today guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.